If you are interested in pursuing a career in accounting, a Bachelor of Science (BSc) Honours degree in accounting can be an excellent starting point. This degree program is designed to equip you with the knowledge, skills, and competencies necessary to excel in the field of accounting. Whether you aspire to become a public accountant, tax advisor, financial analyst, or business consultant, a BSc Honours degree in accounting can provide you with a strong foundation for success. So, to obtain a BSc Honours degree in accounting, you will need to complete a 4-year undergraduate program at a recognized institution. But in this video, I'm going to reveal all you need to learn in just few minutes. The program typically includes a range of accounting, finance, and business courses, as well as general education courses in areas such as mathematics, economics, and communication. In addition to classroom instruction, many programs also offer practical experience through internships, co-op placements, or other experiential learning opportunities. So let's see what these career modules are. Level 1, we have Introduction to Computers, Fundamentals. Well, I'm not going to go through all this huge list, but there is something I have for you which is very interesting. In this field, we have the career that is in high demand, which is management consultant. Well, the professionals work with the business to identify areas for improvement, develop strategies, and implement solutions. They have an average salary of about $132,000 per year, which is very great, I agree. And the sought after career is projected to grow 14% over the next decade, which is very good. Well, friends, as the industry continues to change or evolve, new careers will arise for those with the right skills and qualification. You with the right skills and qualification can have a lucrative career. If you're still watching and excited to get started, please take this moment to leave a comment below. I'm ready to get started and like this video, because by the end of this program you will be well versed in financial reporting, auditing, taxation, management, accounting, and other key areas of accounting. You will also develop critical thinking, problem solving, and communication skills that are highly valued in the field. Whether you choose to pursue a further education or enter directly to the workforce after the completion of this course, well, BSc Honours degree in accounting can help you achieve your career goals. So that's it for this video. Please follow for more videos like this one with the updated list, and thank you for watching. See you in the next video. But for more content like this one, please take time to check out on the description box below, and see you next time.